Saro Dispensary is one of the community health units in this region, caring for hundreds of expectant women.
The morning I went to her and I informed her to come here. I advised her to come here. So she has just come now to be seen for the first visit for the newborn to get the BCG and the rest, and herself to be examined.
The number of deliveries have over the years increased in this dispensary since the putting up of this community health unit. But this has not always been the case some years back. Many women in this region prefer to deliver at home under the care of traditional birth attendants, a situation that put many of them at risk of not only death, but also developing pregnancy-related complications. But all that is now changing.
We are conducting up to 10 deliveries per month in this unit. And this is because of the community health workers who are always in the community searching for mothers who are pregnant, direct them to come for antenatal care.
Florence Agutu is such one community health worker in charge of several households within this community, where she identifies expectant women whom she then refers to the Saro Dispensary for antenatal care. Agutu's day begins with visits to these homes. On this particular day, one of our clients has delivered. Jacqueline Odhiambo gave birth at home.
She's to have exclusive breastfeeding for 6 weeks. I've been coming here in case of any problem. She's to inform me. Then we talk together over it. Then we take to the hospital if it can be taken to the hospital. Anything which we can do here at home, we do together with her. When I came here, she took the advice and responded very well. Now she has taken her child to the facility, and the child has already got the first vaccines. I'm supposed to visit 87 households within the village.
She documents data collected from the community for recording at the health center. Professor Miriam Were has been at the heart of ensuring community health service takes shape in the country.
If you are in a nation where children are dying and expectant mothers are dying, it's almost like you have no future. So it became a big shock in 2004 that in Kenya, things were getting worse, not better. It was realized that the reason things were getting worse is because we had focused on working only on health facilities, like just health centers, dispensaries, hospitals, but we had forgotten the people, the communities.
The number of women who die during childbirth in Kenya is still high. The World Health Organization states that 360 women die in Kenya for every 100,000 women who give birth.
Here we have mothers who are expecting. This is what we call antenatal ward, but it's the mothers who are almost in what we call second stage of labor. So you see what the community health workers are doing. They ensure that these mothers must attend the clinic at least 4 times. Unaumwa? Pole sana. Mimba ya ngapi? Ya kwanza. Ulikuwa unaenda clinic wapi? Mama Frida. Kihancha. This is also a referral from the community. That's from Kuria. This is our nursing home here, our labor ward, caters for even patients from Kuria.
Right now, we have 2,511 community units which are providing community health services. And we think that that is a very, very good start. But we are still far because we need over 8,000 community units in order to cover the whole country.
Wanatembea kuangalia wagonjwa wale wako hapo. Wakipata mtu akiwa mgonjwa, wanaripoti kwa hospitali.
I was born in Migori district. I've been here since I was born up to this moment, but I've not been visited with them any day.
As a community health worker, Agutu has had to face challenges.
We used to have very low immunization coverage in this region because of the sect which is around here, where most children are not allowed to come for immunization. But through the community health workers in the community unit, there's a lot of improvement where almost all children come for immunization, which you get children who are fully immunized. We go up to almost 80%.
It is successful because the person who talks to the mothers speaks their language, lives in the same community, knows their tradition, and so they can talk to them appropriately.
Professor Were is, however, optimistic that with this initiative, lives of many expectant women will be saved.
Community health strategy approach to establish community health services was the most wonderful thing that has happened in our country for a long time.
I think this is the way the whole country should go, that we accept every part of this country to have a community unit to access the community easily, because it's the community unit, because that's level 1 of care, where diseases are discovered or are searched by the community health workers who are trained, and they bring to the community health care workers to manage the diseases.
Our problem right now is that when you go to hospitals, you find that some people are sleeping on a bed, some are sleeping on the floor. Some health centers are very crowded. Why? Because even what is crowding them are the preventable diseases. If we can reduce the preventable diseases from being in the health center and in the hospital, then we shall leave the space for the other diseases which cannot be prevented. No mother should have to have a baby dying in her hands when she's just by herself. She would have a community health worker. That is our target.